In this video, I show you how to fix Eyecon app not logging problem. For fixing this problem, go to your Play Store, then search Eyecon. Now update your Eyecon app if available in update version. Then search 111 VPN, click on it. Now install it. Then go to your phone settings. Then go to apps or application management. Then tap on it. Now tap on see all apps. Scroll down, find out Eyecon app. Now tap on it. Then tap on force stop. Then OK. Now tap on storage and cache. Clear storage. Then delete. Now open 111 app VPN app and click on next. Then accept. Then install VPN profile. Then OK. Not allow notification. Allow. Now click on connect. Now open Eyecon app. And click on continue. Now sign in or login. This is me. Now I hope that this method fix Eyecon app not logging problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.